Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility of a quote-unquote Bangkok Sandbox. For those who are unaware, Phuket currently operates what's called the Phuket Sandbox, which allows folks to come in with a sort of truncated quarantine, but they have to remain in Phuket for a prolonged period of time, usually a week or two, before they can go into Greater Thailand. And they're also subject to tests, PCR tests, etc. for COVID. There's also a vaccination requirement to even be able to use the Phuket Sandbox. The question posed by this video, in sort of the aftermath of the suspension of the Thailand Pass as well as the Test and Go program, which I know is causing a lot of consternation amongst prospective and would-be travelers to Thailand, could Thailand do a Bangkok Sandbox? Well, it was my understanding they had one up until, and then it sort of, Thailand Pass and Test and Go came online, and it sort of rendered it moot. But I thought they had one. There's currently information suggesting, no, there's not going to immediately be a Bangkok Sandbox, so, don't expect that. But is it possible in the future? I would say, yeah, it's definitely possible. I don't know what the terms would be for that kind of a setup, that kind of a sandbox scheme. Or perhaps maybe a sandbox like in Pattaya, for example, and which would sort of negate the need for one in Bangkok. It all sort of remains to be seen. We will certainly keep you updated on this, whether or not there is a Bangkok Sandbox, as the situation evolves.